Hey guys, so today I will be making a recipe for persimmon bread. I have made one of these videos in the past and it did really well, so I wanted to revamp and revise this recipe because my family has a persimmon tree that always produces a ton of fruit every year. We'll be using a recipe from Proportional Plate, which I'll leave in the description box down below. First, we're going to need about 1 cup of persimmon pulp. So I just pureed a bunch of persimmons that I took the skin off of. The sweeter the better, and because my persimmons were so sweet, I decided to cut down on the sugar a bit. But this recipe is very simple. In a medium-sized bowl, you'll sift together your dry ingredients, which includes your flour, salt, baking soda, cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. And then in a separate bowl, we're going to cream together the butter and sugar. Then we'll add in the eggs and vanilla extract, blend that in, and then very slowly stream in the persimmon pulp that you prepared earlier. Incorporate the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients using a spatula 1/3 at a time. And just mix until just incorporated. You don't want to overdo this one. The next step is pretty simple. We'll go ahead and use that rubber spatula to pour the batter into a loaf pan that's already been greased. Just flatten out the lumps and bumps on the top, and for a purely aesthetic look, you can add in some thinly sliced persimmon on top. Then you'll bake in the oven for about an hour at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So you're supposed to wait until the loaf is completely cool before digging in, but as you can tell, I snuck in a piece because I just couldn't wait, and this was a deliciously moist and flavorful persimmon bread that I would highly recommend. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will see you next week. Bye guys!